Liability-driven investing LDI is like trying to solve a puzzle with your retirement on the line. Picture this. You're on a boat. The sea is your financial future, and you've got two anchors you need to manage. One anchor is your assets, and the other is your liabilities. The goal is to keep the boat from drifting too far from your destination. Retirement bliss, let's say. Now, traditional investing has you focus on growing that asset anchor, piling on more and more treasure to outweigh any liabilities. It's all about that return, beating the market, a captain fixated on the horizon. But LDI flips the script. It's less about hoarding treasure and more about making sure your liabilities, those obligations you can't ignore, pensions, debts, future expenses, don't capsize you. In the LDI approach, you're matching your investments, like bonds, to your liabilities' sensitivity to interest rate changes and other factors. It's playing defense with your portfolio, minimizing risk rather than chasing the white whale of maximum returns. Think of it as a meticulous gardener who plants hedges in perfect alignment with the property walls. Those hedges are your safety measures, preventing wild market winds from knocking over the financial future that you've so carefully planned out. For institutions like pension funds, that's critical. They've got a parade of retirees depending on them, and those monthly checks need to be as reliable as Portland's rain. They can't afford to gamble on high-flying stocks, potentially losing the shirt off their back, when they've got former employees depending on that shirt to stay warm in winter. For individual investors, the LDI approach might mean crafting a bond ladder that aligns with life's big bills: college for the kids, a house in the quieter part of Portland, and a cushion for the golden years when working is a choice, not a necessity. In essence, liability-driven investing is like having a financial roadmap where you've plotted all the potholes and speed bumps along the way. It's making sure you've got a steady hand on the tiller, so by the time you spot retirement on your horizon, you're not taking on water but arriving safe, sound, and dry. It's a tailored suit versus off the rack. Sure, it might not have the flash of those peacock investors bragging about their latest big score, but it fits your financial body perfectly. And isn't that what matters when the retirement party comes around? Just like the meticulous city planning in Portland, with its eco-friendly public spaces and bike lanes guiding you smoothly to your destination, LDI guides your investment strategy so that your financial future is not left to chance, but rather carefully mapped out to meet your personal needs, long-term.